In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the tone in Grammarly. Now, understanding the tone of your writing is crucial, whether you're sending an email or working on a document. Grammarly's tone detector is a fantastic tool that helps you ensure that your message is conveyed precisely as you intend, whether you're aiming for a professional note, formal correspondence, or even a friendly email. Let's dive into how you can utilize this feature to refine your writing effectively. First things first, you'll want to make sure that you have the Grammarly browser extension installed on your computer. It seamlessly integrates with many websites and services, like Gmail, making it quite a handy tool as you write online. Once you have it installed and ready to go, you can easily start checking the tone of the text as you write. To get started, begin typing in any text box where Grammarly operates, such as an email in Gmail. Now keep in mind, the tone detection feature needs a bit of substance to work with, so make sure your text is at least around 150 characters long. This gives Grammarly enough context to analyze and determine the tone. Once you've reached that length and Grammarly has had a chance to work its magic, you'll notice an emoji icon appear. This is your tone indicator, and it's found in the lower right corner of the Grammarly overlay. Click on the emoji icon, and you'll be shown the overall tone of your text. This intuitive interface gives you an at-a-glance understanding of how your writing might be interpreted by the reader. But don't stop there. If you want more insight, you can open up the Grammarly sidebar. By clicking the emoji at the top left corner of the sidebar, you'll be able to view a breakdown of the tones present in your text, along with the confidence levels for each identified tone. It's a great way to see whether your writing is aligning with your intended communication style. Additionally, Grammarly doesn't just stop there. It goes a step further through its Tone Suggestions feature. While you're writing, Grammarly might highlight sentences that could benefit from a tone adjustment. These suggestions might prompt you to make a sentence more confident or perhaps rephrase a request to sound softer. Clicking on these suggestions will provide you with alternative phrasings better suited to the tone you have in mind. And the best part is, this feature is available on Grammarly for Windows, Mac, and all major web browsers, ensuring you have seamless access no matter what platform you are using. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at how to check and adjust the tone of your writing using Grammarly. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to ensure your communication is always on point, helping to prevent any unintended misunderstandings. Give it a try the next time you draft a message, and see how a few simple changes can make a world of difference.